Hey y'all, what's going on, everyone? I'm out here in the garden today because I want to share with you all that there's always lessons learned in our gardens, no matter if we are rookie or pros. And we did a segment a few months ago on how we were going to compete with sugary watermelon versus lemon drop with alfalfa, and the other one with the blood mill. And unfortunately, it was an epic fail. Even our fall seedling prep was an epic fail because it was too hot. But I want to show you the watermelon and then the butt because we were blessed still with something without our knowing. All right, y'all. So here it is. Here it is. Here it is. Here it is. We had the lemon drop here, the lemon drop watermelon, and the sugar baby watermelon here. And what we did was this one, this can grow bag container here, y'all, was just basically blood milk. And look at this. See? Y'all see that? Look at that. Hold on. You see this? Look at this. You see this? This is what ate the watermelon. You see that little sucker right there, y'all? Look at this. And he stays trying his stuff. Look at that. Mm-hmm. This is why it's epic fail. Um, Another thing I do want to mention to you all is that all the seedlings we prepared outside that we took indoors has died for our fall garden. So, because that happened, we're gonna start over real soon. But we were blessed, y'all. We were blessed. We were blessed. Let me show y'all what I'm talking about. You guys see this right here? This year was our first year growing a yellow onion from the grocery store. I went to seed, and I believe in a 1 gallon container. That seedling or yellow onion produced so many seeds, you all, that we decided to try to, you know, see if we can get these things to sprout. Well, they germinated indoors. This is the only thing that actually stayed alive. Now it's looking kind of hit now, but we're gonna put these over here. Now, I want to mention to you all something that we were blessed because I also direct sold, and little NJ was out here with me, and I had to stop him. So I'm gonna show you why in a second. Sir, I didn't ask for this right here. What you doing? And let me show you why I had to stop him, because he was going at it. We use our sugarcane leaves as our mulch to, keep everything moist and whatnot. I love to direct sow, and so what I did was I dropped some onion seedlings here. And look at this, y'all. We got onions. Now, I didn't know it was gonna do all this, like clump up together. And so, just in case this was an epic fail, I went ahead and just direct sow. And I love direct sow. This is what our ancestors did. They didn't have, if we really think about it, you all, in the 1800s and before Christ and after his death and everything like that, they didn't have indoor grow lights and directly sowing from indoors. They did this outside, directly sown from outside. I don't think, and this is going to be me just thinking, I don't know for sure, I don't know if it's in history books, but I don't think that they really started growing indoors probably until like the mid 60s, probably 1960s. Correct me if I'm wrong, because I want to know. I really do want to know. But I definitely know in the 1700s, 1800s, 1600s, and before Christ, and after his death, they was doing this. This is the original way of growing your vegetable crops and whatnot, and flowers and stuff, and probably even fruit trees and trees. So check this out. Now, this is a yellow onion, and I'm super excited. We followed our calendar again, guys, and I want to check. I want to show y'all something. Now, this is Mother Nature. Nature, again, y'all. Our red current, lake current has gone to sleep, but as you can see, that's another watermelon unknown, and then it also gave us a nasturtium. All right, and I don't know what this is. I don't know. These are just we call stuff weeds that is unknown. So, but right here, y'all, that is a nasturtium, and this is unknown watermelon. So, I just want to share that not all is lost. Even though summer is about to end, it decided to give us a watermelon. But that's all I want to share with you all. Until next time, we'll see you on the next one. I'm NJCali. Thank y'all for watching. Please like, subscribe, and when you do subscribe, you are considered family. Remember that. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.